Hello everyone, I'm Jameelah and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a pate recipe. This pate, it will be made from pumpkin seeds and it will have a spicy Mexican flavor. This pate is versatile. You can use it as a dip or on top of greens as a salad or stuffing for bell pepper. There are many different ways you can use this pate. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. First of all, right here I have 2 cups of soaked pepitas or pumpkin seeds. They've been soaking overnight. About 1/4 of a bunch of cilantro with the stems, 1 medium chopped tomato, the juice of 1 lime, 4 sun-dried tomatoes that I still have soaking, and I like to reserve the liquid because I never know if I may need the liquid to thin out what I'm making, so that's why I have the liquid here. I have half of a medium red onion, roughly chopped, 1 large jalapeno pepper, and I deseeded this and maybe left about 1/4 of the seeds in because I'm really not sure how spicy this pepper is. It was a pretty big pepper, maybe about like that long, and I have the seeds here. The seeds and the inside of the pepper is what determines the spiciness. So I have the seeds still here that I reserved just in case what I have in this bowl right here is not spicy enough for me. Then I can always add the seeds in later to bring up more spice if I need it or want it. And 2 large cloves of garlic minced. Okay, so what we're going to do is, and of course here I have my food processor that we're going to use. So to get started, we're just going to add all of the ingredients except for the cilantro. I want to add that last. But we're going to add everything else into the food processor and blend it up. And like I mentioned, I'm going to reserve the liquid from the sun-dried tomatoes. And we have the onion, tomatoes, the garlic, and the jalapeno. And for my seasonings, I have here coriander, cumin, and pink Himalayan sea salt. And I'm just going to go ahead and add these in here now. The cumin. Coriander, and a little bit of the salt. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and run this in the processor until all ingredients are combined and their pate consistency nice and smooth. Oops, I forgot the lemon juice. How could I forget that? lime juice, sorry. And as always, don't forget to scrape down the sides periodically so all the ingredients are blended evenly. Okay, let's go ahead and check our progress. Now it may take you a minute of running your processor to get this consistency, and I also did end up adding 2 tablespoons of the sun-dried tomato soak water. So this is what we have right now. And now I am going to actually taste this for the spiciness before I add in the cilantro. It does have good flavor, but it's not as spicy as I would like it. So I am going to add these seeds in here and then let that run a little bit and try it again. And if it's still not spicy enough, even though I had a large pepper, I may go ahead and add in another jalapeno, because I do want to have a little bit of spiciness to this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try this again. It's a little spicier, but not where I want it. So I will be right back with another jalapeno. Okay, I'm back with the jalapeno, and you can see how large this jalapeno is. It's about the same size as the one I used before. And I am going to take a chance and not de-seed this one and slice it in half. Okay, that's about half. And we'll let that blend in. And I'll try it again. Okay, I think I have the excuse me, the additional pepper pretty well incorporated in here, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's take a look and see if I see any pepper chunks, and I don't see any pepper chunks in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a little taste. Okay, there we go. That's the little kick that I was looking for. It's in there now. So I also think this can use a little bit more of the cumin and a little more salt, and then it will be perfect. And then we're going to pulse in the cilantro. Okay, before I put the cilantro in there, I just want to incorporate the additional spices. Alright, now for the cilantro. I'm going to put about half or a little more than half of the cilantro in. And then I'll run this a little bit. And I'll pulse in the rest. Okay, so I have the cilantro that I put in here pretty well broken down in there. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells so good. Now, just to add a little bit of texture, I'm just going to add this little extra bit of cilantro, and we're just going to pulse it in so we can have a little bit more of the cilantro chunks in there. Okay. So I think you'll be able to see it's a little bit chunkier with the cilantro, and that's what I want. So let's go ahead and give this a final, well, not maybe a final taste, but let's go ahead and give this a taste to see if I have the right level of spices and everything. This is so good. This is really good. And it has a nice little kick. And of course, you can always adjust the spiciness level to how you like it. But it is perfect for me. So now we'll just go ahead and take this out of container. Okay, now here we have the finished product. My Mexican Pepita pate, or Mexican pumpkin seed pate. Now, just to give you an idea on how you can serve this, I have the pate under some slices of avocado and chopped red onion and tomato on a romaine lettuce. So let's go ahead and see how this tastes. Sorry guys, this is really good. I think I need to finish this right now. So there you have it. My Mexican Pepita pate, or pumpkin seed pate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe for new recipes each week. Until next time, bye.